Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been so long that I've posted a video on YouTube, but I have decided to put videos, we'll try to put videos every day, reacting to all the matches that I watch, the IPL matches, and I watch them every single day, so I thought why not make a video. Today I think it's been 3 weeks into the IPL, and anyway we have still another month to go, so hopefully I can make videos every day. Today I have Selena here eating Uncle Chips and Mohit of course, but he's in the room. So today's match is DC and Rajasthan Royals. Yesterday's match, that was KKR and Punjab, was insane. I am sure you guys have watched it. I'm sure you guys thought that there's no way that Punjab could win, but eventually they did. It was so good. So I thought, and yesterday we went out and it was crazy when we were watching it out. So I thought, why am I not making videos on this and showing you guys all our reactions? So today's match, it starts in like 5 minutes and then we shall watch it together. My favorite team is the Royal Challengers, RCB, and I really want them to win, and I really think they will win this year. So Delhi is also a very good team. I actually like the team. I love KL Rahul, I love Akshar Patel, and it's a very strong team. So I'm sure, I think Delhi is only going to win today. Who do you support? Delhi. Same. So Delhi is batting first, Rajasthan Royals is fielding, and I don't know who won the toss, I didn't watch it, but Delhi is batting. We have our chaknas, and it's gonna be the first ball. I'm gonna watch. Please excuse my pink teddy bear. 3, 2, 1, yay! Game on! Where are you? I zoomed in so much I can't find you only by here. Okay. Okay, let's go. First ball. We have our next.
Don't ring my bro.
So, who are you supporting today, Mo?
Delhi.
Same. We're all supporting Delhi today because I think we know that Delhi will win.
You should say otherwise.
Rajasthan.
He should say otherwise.
These two are fighting 24/7.
So yeah, so we can fight, bro. Right now we're in the same team. I don't like that.
Go Delhi. Second over going on. 18 runs. Not bad. Very good actually. Oh.
Beautiful shot.
6.
Beautiful shot.
Huh?
आप बॉल रन देगा.
If the ball comes to me and I'm in the stadium, of course I will.
Obviously.
Who will give it? I'm not giving it ever.
बम को सुझा देगा.
तुमको कैसे पता?
इसके पास है. ये लेके रखी है.
Why will you do that?
But he got his line wrong.
हाँ ये support. If the ball changes, it causes more trouble.
How does that matter to me? I want to give the ball.
हाँ लगा तुम्हारा RCB ठीक है.
RCB के मैच के लिए जा भी नहीं रहा. RCB के मैच में I will throw the ball back. ये लो ball. I have the ball.
I can buy a white ball, play with it every day.
No, why will we tell
Own the
lies?
ball and then वहाँ पे झूठ मूठ का sign करा के can show my kids.
No, why will we tell lies? Then the value of that ball is just zero.
जिस झूठ से पीछे बनता है वो झूठ नहीं होता.
Wow, 2 overs at 35 they've made. Rajasthan must be regretting their decision of fielding first. Last ball of the over. And it's a 4 again. No, it's not.
Spoke too soon.
That's a free.
Yes, it's gone.
This is not good stroke.
Oh my god, there's a wicket. Fraser, what is he doing?
Don't know if you have noticed, but I wore a ganji now. That
We saw
means
that.
after me wearing a ganji,
Go check it off.
being nanga is a lucky charm for Delhi.
What is this early wicket, yaar?
You leaving the room will make it even better. He'll win, bro.
ये क्यों आती है मम्मा घर पे? Why do you come to my house?
Because I'm your wife's best friend.
What are you saying, Mo?
Karun Nair will not perform well.
Why do you say that?
quick thumb for that. And then we got
Sixth Sense.
Only because he's saying that, I'll say otherwise.
Jannat.
Okay, so Mo says Karun Nair is not going to perform, and Selena says that he will.
Yeah.
So let's see.
So
Almost catch. Almost.
you shouldn't have taken the
What
run.
are they doing? Why did this Karun guy take a run?
But this is not out.
How do you
Not
know?
out. See ना, वे बहुत आराम से अंदर था वो. Bro, I'm Imran Hashmi from Jannat.
What?
Your husband's a witch.
वाह. Sixth Sense है भैया. मेरा बात सुन के अगर ये लाइव चल रहा होता,
Please
अगर ये लाइव चल रहा होता तो तुम लोग बैटिंग कर सकते थे, पैसे कमा सकते थे.
जीरो बनाए ये.
क्या I am Imran Hashmi from Jannat.
What do you have to say? You lost your bet. What do you have to say? You lost your bet.
telling you he's a witch.
Pops, it's 30 plus 30, 60.
मम्मा कुछ और मांग लेता आप.
60,000 रुपया. 60,000 रुपया हम लोग जीते हैं भाई. 60,000 रुपए.
KL राहुल आया है.
परफॉर्मर आया है.
ये कैसा मार रहा है? To say to that.
I don't have to say anything about this.
Okay, what do you have to say about KL Rahul?
He's gonna do it.
You?
I don't know. देखो, as a batsman, I don't know. पूरा मैच बाकी है. मैच में he'll do well.
Bro, this is so bad. This is so bad. I can't.
Without. And he was not even.
क्या देगा तो मेरे को हारने का?
He was not even like batting.
Yeah. He didn't play. Bichara didn't get a chance to show his skills only.
देखो राहुल का शॉट देखना.
चलो देखते हैं राहुल का शॉट.
doesn't fancy.
6.
शॉट देखना.
Jay, this match is going one run.
Kind of boring.
Yeah. DC is right now 85 for 2. 10 overs, not a very good score, but okay. Mo, what do you think? You're not coming up with your predictions now.
नहीं रहना 6 Sense.
We have ordered some churmur from streets of Calcutta. The puchka was out of stock. Calcutta people would know what churmur is.
For the first time in the IPL, Dr. Asher gets KL Rahul out.
There's a wicket. KL Rahul is out.
Keep checking the front.
And it's another wicket. Don't cry, it's okay.
Churmur is here.
Churmur is here, yes. If you've ever eaten churmur from Calcutta, you know what I'm talking about.
And she gets nothing. No shouting, nothing. No even.
I did it. No, I did it for the views.
You draw water on my sofa. Sorry, it's water.
Why did you go to Zomato support?
Arey wait, I'm putting complaint.
वो पानी गिराएगा उसको.
Why you not with my phone?
पानी गिराए उस रिकॉर्डिंग बंद करो. On camera ही पड़ा क्या?
Bye, she's leaving. Bye. He is not played very well, but okay, good score. The second innings has started, and target is 189. Delhi made 188. I mean, they reached 188. Also was great. It's actually a good score. Mo, what do you think? Is 185 a good score? 188 a good score?
It's a good score.
Do you think Delhi will win?
He's an experienced
Or-
bowler.
You think Rajasthan Royals has a chance?
Fair enough for the mistake.
Rajasthan Royals has a chance.
But will they win?
I don't know what to see.
Someone like
क्या हुआ था अम्मा?
I just said मारेगा और मारा. 6. Don't know यार.
Your sixth sense is sixth sensing today.
Fencing.
I'm thinking next over में Stark, if he bowls, he'll take a wicket. Oh yaar. Yashashvi needs to go out. What is happening?
as a bowler.
It is a boring match.
Calm ball shot.
Honestly, Rajasthan Royals matches are very boring. There's no drama in any of their matches. Such a boring match.
Aksar!
Wicket finally!
What do batsmen do when they get out?
While walking to the thing, dugout area. I don't know why they practice. They're supposed to be practicing it on the way, no? While going out, why do they do with the bat like this thing? 2000 years later and we're still watching the match. Match is not finishing. They just did not take a review for an LBW, and later when they showed the replay, it was actually out. You should have seen KL Rahul and Aksar's face at that point. It's an out, LBW, and Rajasthan Royals has taken a review. So I'm hoping it's an out.
This is away from me.
It's not out. Wicket! Yes! They just need to take wickets now like that. Like how yesterday KKR's wickets fell from 74.
And they just need to hit sixes just like that.
74 for 4 to 95 all out. Looks like Rajasthan is going to beat Delhi. 12 runs and 8 from 8 balls.
हम पहले ही बोल दिया जीत जाएगा. 7 बॉल 10 रन मार सकते, इजीली जीत सकते हैं लोग अभी.
9 runs and 6 balls. Oh my god. There's 6 balls left and 9 runs to make. Rahul Dravid looks very angry. But it's going to be so weird if Rajasthan beats Delhi, because Delhi is such a strong team. And Rajasthan is literally like right down in the table. Like CSK is right down actually, number 10. But I think Rajasthan is number 9. Everybody, both the team, people are just sitting quietly. Nobody's reacting, nobody's saying anything. Spraying, bichara. Let's go, Stark.
Beautiful from Stark. The ball looking at that.
Sab pray kar rahe. Mama, there's a lizard in our house.
That's good luck.
Okay.
And that's a 6.
Oh my god, stop it!
They'll get two.
Let's go, Delhi. Oh!
Overreach for cover.
That's a 4.
Run! Stop it! Yeah, 2 balls. This last over is only good. At least the last over is good. Na? At least I have spent 4 hours on this match. At least the last 5 minutes is good. I still feel Delhi will win. Mohit says they're going to take a 1 in the next
Shivers is not expecting it.
ball.
Either a 1 or a game over.
That one there. They should push for 2 again. Stubbs is quick. Is he quick enough? He is.
1.
Brilliant. Tristan Stubbs, well done. Committed, no strength. Just the man behind.
Jurel is going to finish the match.
Have you got?
2 runs and 1 ball.
Well, 2 required. It'll only be one. They'll have to try.
Out!
1 run, it's super over, Mama, super over.
So now
Mitchell Stark.
Super over.
it's a tie.
They're going to each get 1 run over.
Brilliant.
1-1 over.
Yeah. That's super over. The most boring match has gotten the most interesting right now.
Oh my god. Both will back now. 1-1.
Outstanding bowling after point bowling.
They should send Aksar and KL Rahul.
I don't think this is
Why? He's so good. They're both on 188 now and they're gonna
I don't know लोग क्यों डर के नहीं लिया वो second run. They could have just taken their इतना डरा हुआ था वो.
Look at the discussions going on for the super over, who to send who. Rajasthan Royals say Riyan Parag is coming, captain. Honestly, I thought he should have sent Yashasvi Jaiswal or like one of them. Even that Nitesh Rana did really well. And Michael Stark is going to be bowling, of course. Now let's go, first ball of the super over.
Oh, yes, sir.
Let's go, second ball.
Just in case he misses slightly.
Ooh, out kar. Oh shit, 4. Second ball, there's a 4. Rian Parag on strike is gonna go out. Hi, bro.
What's up?
Say hi.
Hi.
My YouTube. I've started making videos reacting to the IPL matches. The super over going on. Watch it. Watch it. Both teams made 188.
Where are you?
Oh, like that.
Yeah, so now they're both getting 1 over each, and then to see who makes more in the over.
Makes more money.
Yeah. Are you on your way back home?
Yeah.
Good.
Hey, I'll watch. Chal bhai.
Watch and call me. Huh? Bye.
Oh, that's it.
4.
Trying to just open.
It's a no ball, and they're gonna get a free hit.
Free hit.
That's not.
Wide.
Right.
Oh, they're running out, they're running out here. Running out.
But it's not out.
No, it's run out. Babu
Oh, it's run out. Yeah.
And they're
So stupid of him to run. I think Yashasvi will come. Yeah, he's only come. This match has become interesting. Oh my god.
The man deep in the wicket, raising the
Okay,
good.
good.
Two.
Mark!
out.
It's clearly out. Why did they run? I don't understand. So Delhi needs 12 runs to make in this over. Amma, who do you think should come from Delhi? 3 batsmen. First 2 should be. I feel Aksar and KL.
Should come.
I feel KL also should come. Yeah. So the Stubbs, Ashutosh and KL Rahul. But I don't know why Aksar is not coming out to bat. Sandeep Sharma is bowling from Delhi, from Rajasthan. I'm okay if Rajasthan wins, but I just want Delhi to win, yeah. I like KL Rahul and Akshar Patel. They're such good players. It's like sad when they lose. First ball.
Sandeep with the ball. Oh, he starts with a good.
Okay, 1 run.
Slower ball. First ball with a good throw.
No, 2 runs. That was so close. I'm so scared right now. God, second ball.
Wonderfully well played, KL Rahul.
6.
4.
6, no?
6 tha wo. 4, 5, 6. They need 6 more runs. 6 runs of 4 balls. Come on, show Rajasthan how it's done. 6 runs of 4 balls.
Das goes to the Yorker and goes well.
1 run, just take 1 run, guys.
Oh no, relax.
I'm relaxed. Oh my god, Stubbs, come on.
5 on 3. Stubbs first ball.
Khatam, game over.
6! Delhi won!
Superb win.
Yes! So good. Always, Delhi always does this. The first match also, the one that you were not there with me at home, they won against Lucknow. That was such a good match. And this match became so good in the last over only. Oh my god. Oh. No, RCB. Then Mumbai Indians, then Delhi. As long as it's RCB and Mumbai Indians, I will always support them. Then there's Delhi. Love it. What a match. Thank you to the cricket gods for making this match a little interesting. Now I have to call AK and talk to her about the match. So thanks for watching, guys. Like, share and subscribe. Tomorrow is Mumbai Indians and Hyderabad. And of course, I am going to support Mumbai. Who are you supporting? Mumbai or Hyderabad? Mumbai. So tomorrow it's Mumbai Day. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.